Alright, so in the last video we did properties of a circle, and this one we're going to do writing equations of a circle. So again, we're working with the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, so write the equation of each circle. So the center in this case is at 6, 0 with a radius of 2. Okay, so pretty simple. So it's x minus 6 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 2 squared. Or after simplifying, x minus 6 squared plus y squared equals 4. Okay, so now we have a center at negative 8, 3 and a radius at 10. So x plus 8 squared, remember plus negative minus a negative is plus y minus 3 squared equals 10 squared or 100. Alright, origin means 0, 0, right? So that's x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 12 squared, or x squared. Oops, don't need the parentheses in this case. X squared plus y squared equals 144. And the last one, this will be the one that gets you to your 80. Diameter endpoints are 6, negative 5 and negative 10, negative 5. So we have to do two things. We need to, one, use the distance formula, which will be really easy in this instance. And we also have to use the midpoint formula, which again will be really simple, which is x2 plus x1 over 2 and y2 plus y1 over 2 for anyone who doesn't remember it from geometry. And the distance formula is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared inside a radical. Alright, so x is negative 10 minus 6 squared plus negative 5 minus negative 5 or plus 5 squared. Alright, so this is going to be negative 16 squared. That's 0. So this becomes really 16 at this point. Because I could square negative 16, get a positive number, which would be 256, and then the square root of 256 will be 16. So we're going with 16. So that's my distance between those. That's my diameter, which means my radius in this case is going to be equal to 8. Midpoint formula. So negative 10 plus 6 over 2, negative 5 plus negative 5 over 2. This is going to give me negative 4 over 2, negative 10 over 2. So that's going to be negative 2, negative 5. This here is my center. Now I can write my equation. So I'm just going to write it up here. So that's going to be x plus 2 squared plus y plus 2 squared. 8 squared equals 64. Alright, that is it for this video. Hopefully these will be easier. We will see you guys in tutoring if you need any help. Bye.